What's up, guys? This is not my normal video, but I'm gonna get straight to the point for the people that need to know this. Okay, so I bought a Ford Transit that had a bunch of vinyl on it, like you see here. They got the vinyl, and the guy that had it, he used house paint and painted on top of this. The vinyl was so bad that you see here how it's the glue, some of the stuff he used a heat gun to get it off, but it didn't all the way come off. So I'm gonna show y'all what I'm doing. So he has paint on top of this and the old vinyl, and the vinyl was all cracked up and the paint. I'm using an eraser to get this off. Now, mind you, I started off with a heat gun and a scraper, and that was like terrible. Like, it was just terrible. So I'm gonna show y'all how this eraser just getting it all off. Straight to the point. This eraser, this is the stuff that's left over, and it's clean. All this you see here was on this whole hood. All right, so here's the eraser. I just dropped it on the ground, but here's the eraser. I had a cordless drill. But it kept dying on me. So I'm gonna just show y'all how easy it's just come off. So just come around here. The paint is good. Now you'll have some light spots. Now if you have any little dark spots, I mean, just go over it again. But you see how it just came off? Easy like butter. I'm gonna leave a link in the description for these erasers. So I'm gonna show y'all the one I bought. Let's see here. Oh man, let me show y'all the ones I bought. Now, I bought these off of Amazon. I've been working on it. So this is how it look. The link I'm gonna send y'all, it's gonna look like this. I'm opening up a new one. It's gonna look like this. Like this here, come with a little screw, and then it come with a little base for you to screw it in. Let me show y'all. So it come with this little screw here, and you'll screw it on. And I use the drill in reverse. You know, so this is the one I bought, and it worked out pretty good. You know what I'm saying, the eraser. And you look at what's on my drill here, how small it's gotten so far. So, but yeah, it comes off easy. So like, cause I was really upset, cause I'm thinking I was gonna have to take an actual hand sander and sand everything off. But now I'm gonna do this. It's gonna take, of course, it takes a little bit of time, but it's better than using the heat gun, which can mess up your paint real bad. You just keep getting at it, and it come out pretty good. So I'm gonna leave a link in the description. Also, leave a like and comment on this video. It's pretty simple. If y'all want me to do something different, show you how it looks after I'm done with it, yeah. But I just wanted to share this because I know I'm not the only person that's running into this problem dealing with this, old vinyl wrap on a vehicle. Because like my whole vehicle here, you see I got a whole bunch of stuff. Like they even went as far as putting like the paint. They just wanted to cover up the vinyl wrap so bad they painted over it with white house paint. So I got to do this whole car like this with this eraser, because I was gonna have to do it with the heat gun, but the heat gun it was a waste of money, because it was just literally it was a waste of money. All right, hey guys, all right, I'm back. So this is how it looks. Now this looks clean, but I do want to tell you that I do have some like little tiny spots, and I think this is from the rubber or the glue. I can't, but if I take the gun over it, I mean I take the eraser over it, it will come up. But also it seems like the eraser leaves, I don't know if you can see a little yellow residue. So I don't know if that comes off or not, but from how my van looked when I first got it, this is a total upgrade. You get what I'm saying? Because it was completely, it had this big, stupid, ugly, this whole thing was covered up just like that little patch you saw in the beginning of the video. The whole front, and it made it look real ugly. But I still got little pieces that I got to come back and do. You know, that's vinyl there, and it's vinyl like right around there, and you can see here. But at the end of the day, this video is for you if you're just trying to get it off, you know. If you look here, you can see I got to get up there and do that. And then you see how it's some little vinyl here. This is white, but it's not, you know, it's not noticeable like that big black spot. So I'm just going to take a little bit at a time and every day and do it. So I hope this video helped you out, but it's definitely a big mess. Look at that. I put my pajamas on or whatever because I didn't want to mess up my other clothes, but it's definitely a big mess. It's going to be everywhere. But it definitely ate up the eraser, and when it gets down to this point here, it's kind of like don't even really work that good. I wish I could like flip it over or something like that, but you know, it is what it is. Noah, say hi, because he's sitting here doing everything else he don't supposed to be doing. Trying to enjoy this good day before all the snow gets on the ground. All right, so I hope this helps you guys out. All right, take it easy.